हेलो एवरीवन।
नमस्कार शवाई के।
नमस्कार।
नमस्ते सबको and welcome to our new blog. We are going to downtown today because there is going to be a celebration for Diwali.
So what we heard from the other people, like it's going to be a big celebration in Texas for all the Indians.
So let's get ready, get set, and I feel we are dressed for the occasion.
Yeah.
Hopefully, we want to be part of the crowd. So we are just about to leave, and we'll start the celebration around 5. So
Right.
we'll see how it goes.
Even we don't know like how it's going to.
It's the first time outside India,
Yes, so it's the
we'll
first
see
time experience
how
for
the
us.
celebration happens.
Right. So we are going with our friend, our new friend Bilu and Geetu, and with our little kid.
New little friend.
Yeah, new little friend Ivan.
Yeah.
And let's. We are hoping like we will get some excitement today, but let's see what happens. And yeah, let's go.
We started our journey now and we stopped near to the bank to collect some cash from the ATM. And here Ivan is not in his mood now. The climate is so nice.
We all are wearing green, so it's a green Diwali for us.
We reached to downtown and now we have to walk almost 15 minutes to reach to our destination. And near to the river walk there is a small, not small, like a small park, so we have to go there. So almost we have reached near to. Oh, see that huge panda, it's look like me, right? Jokes apart. So now we are entering to the Diwali party. So it's Diwali SA, like San Antonio 2025. Here the Indian Association, they conduct this, and yeah, it's a huge actually. So there are many activities actually. We didn't hope so much things. So yeah, we will walk and we will see what next we can get. So we saw some of the stalls in the right, left. So we have to find out what are they. So there are some coffee stall and tea stall, and they decorate it very nicely as we do in India. So there was an information center. So there was a map where we can see like where we are and which side we need to go.
These are the disposable washrooms. So they have a very good system to wash your hands. So you need to press here. So if you press here, so water will come out. And they have napkins, soap, etc. So even no smell is coming from inside. So it's very manageable and well maintained.
So after that we went to the food court area. So there were almost 9 to 10 stalls for food, and they wrote how much cost is. So I shoot every stall, like I went to every stall, and I was checking for the cost, what is the price of the food, and it was reasonable according to US, and the food was tasty also. I didn't had any food over there because I was not fasting, Ekadashi for me. So I parceled some of the food and I ate next day, and the food was delicious. So not only Indians, there are different kind of people, different region, and they were wearing Indian clothes also, and it was looking so nice actually, like can't express in word. People were very happy actually. What I heard from others, like it is a biggest event for Indians in Texas, this Diwali event. So every year it happened, and this year we missed many things actually. We didn't see the Rangoli, we didn't went for the riverside, that the boat decoration for every state. So we missed those things, but next year definitely we are going to shoot those things. But yeah, for the river walk we got some pictures also. So while we were checking food, so near to the river walk different story was happening. Finally, Krishna and Dilu and Gitu, they found something what they want to eat. So they were in the queue, and while they were in the queue, I was capturing some of the moments where people are enjoying their food, and people are calling us like, this is the line, this is the cash counter, this is the card counter and all. Oh, see, this beautiful lady is wearing a yellow sari and she's looking very nice actually, and I spoke to her also. Then I went to KP to see what he is actually ordering. Here Dilu is ordering the meal, and KP, what are you ordering? So they gave this coin, so we have to deposit this coin and we will get food.
How you are feeling after 4 months having this much of?
I didn't have it yet. After having, I'll tell you.
We got this juice. So, guli soda. ये तो pop up नहीं हो रहा है. Press. Yeah.
There's the goli.
This is a goli, right?
It seems that the food was very nice, and even I had this meal. I packed for myself and I ate next day. So it was so delicious. They took another one as a parcel. Yeah. So while they were eating, I was shooting. But I just want to mention, when we were enjoying our meal on the other side in the river walk, like there was a state carnival, like the river carnival was going on. So we missed this one. So yeah, next year we are going to see this and maybe participate. We will try to.
Sprawling tea plantation, unique ecotourism, magnificent architecture, Ayurvedic treatments, and unforgettable culinary experiences. Kerala boasts a literary rate of 96%, the highest in India. Kerala's service sector, including information technology, education, tourism, hospitality, and Ayurvedic and medical.
As we miss this carnival, so somebody else has given me this video to use in my blog, and thank you for sharing this video with me. So next time you will see this. After our food, we started walking. We were exploring some butterflies, and there were some corners so full of lights, and it was amazing. And there are some corners where we can take photos also, and so we were in the queue. So yeah, for Dilu's we were taking the photos, and thank you for taking pictures for us. So this building was so beautiful. So again we continue our walking, and it was nice. In between that, they found some of the friends from church. So yeah, they were chatting, and I was exploring the people, the colors, and etc. Oh, finally we found a alcohol bar. So it's a stall where we can get beers and all. So it's a mango bar, and we went after some time we found a stage which was empty, so we thought like the function was over, and they were playing Bollywood music, all Hindi Gana and all, and we were dancing. There was no crowd, but still we were dancing. So initially we thought like it got over, but no, afterwards it's going to happen after 10:30. So now it's almost around 8:30. So again we continue our journey, and we found some of the stalls where we can get Indian clothes, jewelry, silver jewelries, silver idol like Ganesha, Krishna and all. And there were a lot of things actually. There were shoes, bags, but one thing to remember, they are highly cost, like highly priced. So those who are coming to US, and please bring your Indian clothes and Indian jewelry, because what you see in India, it's far expensive. But yeah, the non-Indians, like the foreigners, they were wearing Indian ghagras and all. So it was fun actually to see them wearing ghagra choli and wearing Indian earrings. It was looking like they were looking very pretty actually. So it's nice, and see, it's almost crowded like Durga Puja or Diwali. So finally we reached near to stage where all state were dancing. They were representing their state, their culture. Ivan brought his new toy. He was so happy, and we too. I must say they were dancing very well. I missed the West Bengal part. I guess it already happened when I reached. So I saw Punjab, I saw Tamil Nadu, and even I saw many foreigners. They were dancing from they belongs to different school, and they dance very well. So different kind of dances were there. So enjoy. So again they felt hungry, and there is a dosa and pakoda time. So I think this is onion pakoda. Then after food we went near to the stage, and we were enjoying some naughty by us. After seeing this, I just want to say, Srimoy, remember this song? Yeah, we performed this song during our school days. So yeah, it was a nice performance. Good job, guys. So every year they had firework. So this time a different thing. They did drone show. So first time I was seeing drone show. So enjoy with us. I must say, যখন ওরা ইন্ডিয়া ফ্ল্যাগটাকে শো করলো, something magical was there actually. Yes, and this is the Mafford, Texas. So it was around 11 o'clock in the night. They completed the drone show, and then they say come to the dance floor. So they were having dance floor Bollywood song, and we spent around half an hour, and we were enjoying the songs. Yes. Yeah, and it was the end of the day. It was a nice evening we spent, and we were walking. We have to walk almost 18 minutes to the parking. And yeah, next year we will not miss the Rangoli.
So we had lots of fun today, and we will wrap up this vlog.
We are on our way back. We are
Yes.
just leaving from downtown.
So we are just going for parking. Geetu brought his car. So till then, bye bye.